We're gonna do a raid, boys. We're gonna do a raid. Let's check out this dude. This guy's doing a raffle for a Razer keyboard. Every follow he gets. It's pretty cool. I like this guy. So we're gonna do a raid right now, okay? Raid time, raid time, raid time, raid time. Just choking on the splinters. Wait! Raid! Please help! Go forth, my llamas, and raid! Alright guys, go in and fucking raid this kid. He seems like he's like grinding and doing his thing. I don't know his stream. So I don't know if I'm gonna host him just because I don't know the content he has, but let's just raid him.
Oh my god, what's up, still shot? Can you raise the volume for me? Yes, CurvyLIama, I can. Is it now better? Is it now better, guys? What's up, CurvyLIama, man? Welcome, my first time here. Yup. Vindictive, welcome, guys. Llama Law, what's up, guys? Welcome to my stream. How are you, people? Oh my god, what the fuck is happening with this? Yo. Oh my god. Oh my god, we have a goddamn raid, guys. Yoo-hoo! Oh, you can. That's the raid. Okay, guys, I'm gonna show you something.
Okay, I'm gonna
go, guys.
I'm gonna host it.
Enjoy. Thank you for the follow. Hit the follow button, guys. Begin. Yo. Welcome to my Twitch.
Yo!
Follow button, don't be a bitch. Yo.
The bars right now. Everybody get in this guy's channel. The fucking bars, dude.
Okay, we're gonna make it happen. We're gonna have it fun. If you don't like it better, take your bags and fucking run.
The bars, dude. This guy's legit.
We're gonna feel no shame.
Oh shit.
We're gonna make it big and get the fucking world of fame.
Go raid, boys.
PlayStation and Nintendo machines, we gotta turn them all. Let everybody know that bad weather doesn't matter.
This is a maze.
All together, time fly. People cry, DInotti Twitch is not gonna die. What's up? Pick me up. Can do, ain't giving up. Thank you very much for being here. Can't believe, gotta pinch my ear. If you wanna say something, use the chat.
Alright guys, I'm gonna host this dude. I'll see you guys later. I'll see you in there. Get in this guy's stream. I'll see you.
Hit the follow, don't be a bitch. Yo, people, this my Twitch. Hit the follow, don't be a bitch. Yo, people, this my Twitch. Hit the follow, don't be a bitch. Yo, people, this my Twitch. Thank you for the follow. So I'm streaming 83 subs. CurvyLIama! You can! Oh, you can! CurvyLIama, thanks for that follow, my man. Yeah! Curvy, my man, thanks for that. Fucking nice follow, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for that. My name is Mendalus! You can! Oh, you can! Mendalus, thanks for that follow, my man. Woo! Oh my god, come! Oh, you can! Oh, you can! Oh, you can! Thank you very much for that follow code. Oh my god, quad empty! Oh, you can! Oh, you can! Woo! Quan, thank you much for that follow. Oh my god! That's Bobby, fuck you! Yeah! Oh, you can! Thank you! Oh my god, guys! Oh my god! Oh, you can! Oh, you can! Woo! Thank you very much for that follow, Aaron! Oh my god! Can! Oh, you can! Oh, you can! Oh my god, I'm gonna die, guys! Stop for those follows! Oh, you can! Oh, you can! Oh, you can! Woo! Can't touch this! Oh my god! Can! Oh, you can! Oh, you can! GC, take it. I can't do it! Oh, you can! Oh, you can! Oh, I can't do it anymore, guys. Stop it! Oh, can! Oh, you can! Front doors! Oh, you can! Oh, my energy is low. Oh, hey! Oh, you can! Oh, you can! I can't do it. Oh shit, I pay. Hadouken! How many Hadoukens you wanna get, guys? Oh, vindictive! Hadouken! Hadouken! Vindictive, thanks for the follow. Oh, I can't do it! Hadouken! Oh, can I sit down, please? Can I sit down? Oh shit, guys, you made me so. Oh my god, I lost my energy. I'm not gonna be able to do the fantasy. Oh my god, Curtis! Oh my god! Unbelievable! Oh my god! We won the professional nation! We won the professional! Unbelievable! Woo! Get that beyond! Thanks for that donation, my man. Oh my god. Oh my god. I just died. Oh, thanks for that donation, my man. Okay, what's up, the Wunderwaffe? Hadouken. Oh my god, boop that. Oh my god. Oh, the boy. Oh. Woo! 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 Boop that, yeah. Oh my god, unbelievable! Oh, thank you! Oh my god! Oh no! Oh my god, I'm shaking my head. Thank you, Move Tech, for that. Oh my god, what the fuck? And oh my, oh! I'm dead. What the fuck is wrong? Is there something wrong with this donation? Oh my god, I'm gonna die. On the other side. On the other side. Woo! Thank you for the donation. Woo! Thank you! Yes! Oh, what's wrong with you guys? Hadouken! I'm gonna die. My mother and father is gonna throw me out of the misery and the cure. Thank you for the follow! To do it, you know, on the stage and act, you have to cut. Do it again. Oh my God! Heavy God just done it! Oh my God! I can't believe! Oh my God! Oh my God! What the fuck is this? Oh! Yeah! Woo! Dang it! Heavy God! Heavy God! Heavy God! Woo! Oh my God! Oh, this is not. This I can't believe this. Thanks, Ben. Thanks for the phone. Oh, you can. Oh, you can. Thank you very much for. I can't even play, guys. I'm not playing today. I'm just yelling here, guys. Oh my God. Thank you very much for that donation. Oh my God. Oh God, are you serious, guys? Oh my God, Zeph, it's unbelievable. I am in hot here. I can't believe it. What the fuck is this? Oh my God. Zeph. Oh my God, I just time out with Zeph. Zeph, thank you very much for that follow. Woo! Okay, guys. If I'm honest, I'm losing my energy. Zenf, I know I time out you because you were speaking English, but you just proved that people from Slovenia donate. And then I had like, oh my God, oh my God, oh my, woo! Oh my God, I'm busy. Yo, busy. Woo! I was just like speaking. Okay, I'm gonna read your message right now. Oh my God. I was like speaking. I was like, Vindictive told me, love the stream, I gotta head out, but keep up the good work. Thank you very much, Vindic! There's so many people on my stream. You know, I'm like, oh my god, you know. Thank you very much for being here. I can see like 45 viewers. I don't know if that's a bot or that's not a bot, but I had a good day today. You know, CurvyLIama raided me. That's a girl from New York. She's a streamer. She streams H1Z1. I'm so happy that she raided me. She picked me. I'm so happy. It's like I got on lotto, you know, like lottery. And even she donated me, guys. You know, and there's some people who donated me, like Whoop Tang and Curly and that God and Sainf, and maybe I missed somebody. And we had some, you know, follower hypes, some donation hypes. It was awesome. It took so much energy of me, you know, but is that because I didn't sleep yesterday, you know? But it was nice. I never thought in my dreams that this is gonna happen. And that means, like, you know, we're getting there, guys. You know, we're getting there slowly, but we're getting there. So thank you very much, guys, for being here.